some of the biggest changes that I've noticed over the years is that the tools change and the technology changes, but the way that I communicate with students still remains the same. So I might do it in a different way as students develop new tastes and new tools become available, but the core of teaching online is to ensure that I'm communicating the content in a way that the students want to receive it and is effective. And that will continue to change as I continue in my career, but I hope to maintain that same core as I go throughout my years here at Parkland. The most important thing that I think about when I'm organizing an online class is how to organize it in a way that the students will find easily accessible. So in my online classes, I create units that involve themes for what we're going to be talking about in that unit, and then I'll put submodules for each separate theme within the unit. And so at the beginning of the unit, I'll put a list of everything involved in the unit as a whole so that the students see that to-do list, if you will, in one location, and then it's broken out into sections that I consider to be bite-sized pieces that I hope the students will see as manageable. Yes, I really like the discussion board feature of Cobra because I think it's a great way to get to know the students and to have them interact with each other similar to how they would do in a regular classroom setting. And so what I do to keep those moving is to have deadlines set periodically throughout the unit so that they don't wait until the last minute to post and then there's a limited number of posts to respond to, because I do require responses as part of the discussion board process. So if I require a post early in the unit and then require the responses a few days later, it helps the students stay on track and also I think improves and increases the quality of the discussion as a whole.